Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello again everyone. Today I'm looking at an unbranded 3-lever, Old English style padlock that I got from eBay. Initially I thought this would be tricky as the traditional lever 3 is replaced with a solid bar. So I figured I would have to navigate past that to open the lock. So on with the pick. That was odd. I only set 2 levers. Maybe my tension tool was clipping the 3rd lever. Quickly use another tension tool. Nope. Not a fluke. This is a 2-lever lock masquerading as a 3-lever. Disappointed with this one. Still, an open is an open. Stay safe everyone, and I will see you all next time.